Okay, 5, 6, basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, dig step, and we go. Dig, slide, again, dig, even weight, slide, dig, even weight. I'm going to syncopate together. Dig and cha-cha-cha. Dig, cha-cha-cha. Dig, syncopate, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now I'm going to cross. Here we go. Dig and step back, cross, dig, step back, cross, dig, step back, cross, dig, baseline, and we go. Bam, ba-dum, bam, bam, ba-dum. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. 5, hold 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, fan base. Fan, step, step, tap, fan, step, step, tap. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 7, and 1, and 3, 4, 5. Body roll. 1, and 3, 5, and 7. 1, and 3, 5. Ladies, out. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So hips go to the right when I step left. Back, left comes, right foot comes together. Boom, and again. Boom, 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 and tap. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then what else do we do?
Backward and forward.
Go forward.
So forward,
We
back,
syncopate.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, step back, cross. 5, 6, step back, forward. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 5, 6, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 5, 6, cha cha cha. So now, mechanics of the body. Shoulders, rib cage, feet all go in the same direction. When I step with my left foot, my shoulders and rib cage are going to the left. Now my hips and knees are the opposite direction. Opposite, 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 opposite. So practice going down like this. Boom, boom. Just keep practicing this. Now I'm going to stop on the 4 and the 8 to do a tap. Like this. 1, 2, 3, neutral. 5, 6, 7, neutral. 1, 2, 3, neutral. 5, 6, 7. Now adding the pop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 8.